Alright, here's a how-to video on how to edit or write on a PDF in your Google Drive and how to add the extensions that make that happen. In this particular case, that extension is called Kami. It's got a cute little K thing sign, and I will tell you how to do it because I'll be in the corner. Okay, so an extension is just any part that works within another part of Google to make it more efficient or do extra parts. So in this case, we're going to go to the web store, and we're going to look for an extension, and you're going to type in Kami, just because that's the particular extension we're using today. It's already loaded in mine. Yours will say add to Chrome. You'll click on it, and once it all loads up, you'll end up with this cool little K there at the bottom. So then, when you are in your Google Drive and you're working hard doing your Google driving stuff, then let's say you have a PDF. Oh, look, there's a PDF on the difference between personalized and differentiated and individualized learning. I want to look at that, so I will click on Kami. Kami opens up, and then I'm going to open it from my Google Drive. You can also do it from just your computer if you want. Once you've opened Kami up in Chrome, then you're going to go to that same file, personalized learning. You're going to open up the PDF. Any PDF will work. And then the PDF opens up, and you have the ability to highlight. Right, you have the ability to strike through. You have the ability to underline, to add a comment, and here's a handy thing, especially if you're using this for the whole class online. You can highlight in a variety of colors, so you could give each group. Doesn't look like you can give each kid. You have more than 9 kids, but you give each group a different color to highlight in. You can add text to it sometimes, but be careful here because they make it sound like that works seamlessly, and it really pretty well. And I would certainly use it, but it doesn't work without a thing. Drawing is the very same thing as typing, except faster. These last ones, shape is one of my favorites. I don't really have a great use for it because shapes gives you the ability to like redact stuff. I've always wanted to be able to redact things. But what shapes actually can be very handy for is if you had a PDF that had answers in it, you wanted to block those answers and then make a copy of it, you can do that super quickly. You could just hide that particular part, make a copy of it, and no one would ever see it. You can also erase things that you've already done. Signing a document, text to speech, those things don't really work on this. You have to buy those. Those are added pieces. And then of course you can print it up there in the corner. I think that's everything. You can also save the version of the PDF that you have edited under a different title, which is important because Kami doesn't automatically save it like Google does. So when you close this out, your PDF will go back to being exactly what it was before. I think that's everything I have for you. Hope this works. Have a great weekend.